Welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to turn off your Facebook Messenger notifications. Let's begin. Firstly, let's go to Facebook. Then, let's try to turn off the notifications for the Messenger. On the top right, between the menu and the notifications, lies the Messenger. Click on it. Now, on the top of the new pop-up, you will see something like Options, See All in Messenger, and New Message. Click on the Options one. It is the one with the 3 dots. Another pop-up will open. Here, just turn off the incoming call sounds until I turn it back on. Disable again. Click on Options, turn off message sounds, and turn off pop-up new messages. Let's go out of here. Click Outside. Once you've done that, you have successfully turned off Facebook Messenger notifications. That's it for the video, guys. For more informative videos like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.